Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find Webull tax document. So to get started with the guide, so make sure you turn on the notification button and subscribe to the channel because that really helps me out. So to get started with the guide on how you can easily, find Webull tax document. So the first thing to do, which is the step one, is to open the Webull app. Then from there, tap the Webull logo at the bottom. Then go to the trade tab, then tap account. Then on step two, you have to scroll down and tap tax document. So to get there, on the account page, scroll down to find tax document. Then under this document section, tap open. Then on step three, you have to select the tax year. So choose the year you want. For example, you can choose 2023 or probably 2020. Then you will see the form like 1099DB, 1099B, or composite of 1099. It depends. Then from there, on step four, you have to download the document tab. So you have to download the document. So to download the document, you have to tap the form, then choose download or save as PDF. So save it to your phone or share it via mails, files, or cloud storage. Then on step five, which is very optional, you can use the Webull on desktop as well, which are very optional. So to do this, to use this, you have to go to webull.com, then /edoc, then log in and download the tax document form and the e-document central as well. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.